Hi friends, today I will show you how to learn typing at home without paying any extra fees and without taking any help from any tutor. Let's see. So first we will open Reta Type website. Here click on Start Learning. See here, the keyboard will come and we need to use our fingers in this way. We will start typing. So T Y P E space M E space T O space F okay F I N D space O U T space H O W space M A N Y space words space per space minute space U space can space type. Perfect. So here you can register with your any email account or any your social media account, and then you can also share your result with your friends. So again I will try with my test. Here after entering the test you will get a typing certificate. Let's start. Oh. Oh my god, I'm very slow, it means. Shit. 3 errors came till now. Let's see how much score will come. Ten seconds more. Perfect. So here my typing speed is 51.6 words per minute and accuracy is 98.1%. Perfect. If you want this certificate, then you need to register with your email ID and then you need to enter your name and download it, and also you can share it with your friends. And here okay, learn. In this page it will show you how to use the keyboard and which finger we need to select, etc. Perfect. It's very easy. Try once and give a valuable feedback in my comments. Thank you for your valuable time. Bye.